Hello, everyone. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, welcoming you to another enlightening episode. Today, we're lifting the lid on the fascinating world of RFID tags. We'll delve into their components, how they function, and their crucial role in asset management for your maintenance and operations teams. Plus, we'll compare active and passive RFID tags to help you decide which might be the right fit for your business. Ready to explore? Let's dive in. So what are RFID tags? RFID, or radio frequency identification tags, are an advanced barcoding system used by facilities to track assets. They're typically made of plastic and contain microchips that help store and transmit data. The data moves from the RFID tag through a reader and then to a central computer using radio wave. Here's how it works. Once an RFID tag is attached to a piece of equipment, that asset can be easily tracked. This means facilities can have up-to-the-minute data on that asset, including its current location, which technician is using it, and what service has been performed on it. Now let's talk about the two primary types of RFID tags, active and passive. Active RFID tags contain a battery, which allows them to constantly send data and provide real-time information to a centralized computer system. These tags are a bit pricey, but they can transmit data over a long distance and are more durable. On the other hand, we have passive RFID tags. These tags use electromagnetic energy from a reader to transmit data. They are much more affordable, costing around 10 cents each, compared to active tags that can run upwards of $25 each. Passive tags are also smaller, lighter, and long-lasting, but they have a limited transmission range. So how can RFID tags be used in maintenance? Well, many facilities use a wide range of tools and equipment to perform regular maintenance. If you have a team of technicians, it's pretty easy for these tools to get misplaced, which can cost your company time and money. But here's where RFID tags come in. They can be attached to particular tools or service kits so they can be easily tracked. For instance, when a technician takes a testing kit to a service call, the RFID tag will communicate its location to a central data collection system. So, if a facility manager needs to assign another work order requiring the same testing kit, they can quickly see who is currently using it and where. The new work order can then be scheduled accordingly. By integrating RFID tags with a CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System, a facility can improve its asset management system to be more efficient, one piece of equipment at a time. And now, as we wrap up, we want to thank you for joining us today. We've explored the world of RFID tags, their components, their functions, and their crucial role in asset management. We've also compared active and passive RFID tags to help you decide which might be the right fit for your business. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. For more information about our services and resources, visit upkeep.com. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for more informative videos from UpKeep.